Uh, Hello guys. Uh, I'm like 2 minutes late today, just from or issues with my computer not loading everything up. So if we get started, I just have the doc or the Ursina engine docs here, and if you can't or hear me or anything, just let me know in the chat. I will be checking that every couple minutes. So let's get into this. Okay, first I'm just gonna get a block on my screen just to see if it's working. So entity model equals quad equals, and texture equals white cube, and wait, this is supposed to be, and then finally color equals color dot blue. Okay, so hopefully this is gonna run properly. Okay, so whenever this loads up, we will come or work on it some more. I just need to wait for this to load so I can actually do stuff here. So I'm gonna just check here how many of you are in this. Okay, so I'm not gonna wait for this anymore. I'm just gonna continue with this. So okay, I might just do this or one of these here. I might just try this. So this is just an example. So take away this block. So ground equals entity model equals cube, color equals color dot magenta, z equals -0.1, y equals -3, origin equals 0.5, scale equals 5110, and finally collider equals box. Okay, so I don't think our thing wants to load here, so something's loading just strangely, so there finally. Oh wait, I need here. Terminal, a new terminal. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for that to load, and so player equals entity. Actually, no, we're gonna keep that around there. So player equals entity model equals hue color equals color dot orange. And then scale y equals 2. Now we're gonna put in a function called update. So after this quick thing here, we're gonna try and create our, or I'm gonna try and create a little game or something. It loads. Okay, there. Okay, I'm sorry for any issues with this stream. It's just, this is the first stream I've done on this channel, and I just need to test out with things. Okay, so it seems like neither of our terminals are loading, so I can't exactly run the program at this point in time. This terminal won't bring up the typing spot, and this one won't load the app thing. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, yes, I don't think my Python wants to work right now, so we're just gonna try and get it working. Okay, so we're actually just gonna maybe rename this file and create a new file. So I'm gonna right click this and rename test.py. And we're gonna make a new file with the name of main.py. Once it loads properly. Okay, so now we can add in main.py. Oops, not pu. Okay, yeah, this it came in now. Main.py. Any file creates. Oh, too many files here. Okay, I'm gonna delete main.pu and main. Yeah, so once again, I'm sorry about the bad quality of this. Okay, so in this new one, we're gonna go from Ursina import all app equals Ursina app.run. Okay, so we are also just gonna create our own little library, so lib.py, just to make it easier. Okay, so this is where we're gonna put all our stuff like entities or blocks or stuff. So I'm gonna put block from Ursina import all, and then class block, and in here we need entity def init super. Okay, so in here we got parent equals scene, color. I'm gonna put color just so they can choose the color, or we can choose the color. And let's see, origin equals 0, 0. Then scale equals scale, and position equals position. So I think that should be good enough. From lib import block. So I'm just gonna say test block equals Okay, and we're gonna create a new terminal to see if this one will work for one. Okay, so I'm gonna go back here and work on this a bit more. So class ground entity def super. So if you have any ideas for some stuff I should include, just let me know through the chat here. I'll check this a bit more if you, or so I can check ideas if you guys post some. So once again, for this one, I'm gonna do color equals color dot green origin equals 0, negative 0.5. I think I'm just gonna go off this one for the ground here, or not negative, just 0.5. So scale equals 5110, I think. Yes. And then we're gonna need the collider for this one, just so. Actually, we should add a collider for the block as well. So, comma in here. Yeah, so I'm just adding this, or I'm just using this lib file just so I can have a bit of a cleaner code section. So next I'm gonna do collider equals box, and let's go add some commas into here. Collider equals box. Maybe we should add the shape to this one as well. So model equals cube, and the same thing for the ground. Model equals cube. So Python main.py. I'm not gonna run that just yet. So color equals color dot blue, and scale equals 111. Position equals 000. I'm also gonna add in a test ground just to see if this works. Oh, did I run this? Okay. Oh, maybe we should import all. Let's see what I have to initialize myself. I don't have to initialize anything there myself, so that's good now. Okay, never mind. Okay, so we're also gonna import from Ursina.prefabs.first-person controller import first-person controller. We're going to add this here too so we can make a player class. Okay. Actually, no, we're not going to add a player class in here, actually. That is going to just make things probably more complicated than it has to be. Because down here, we can do test player equals first-person controller. Okay, I'm just going to so feel free to give suggestions in the chat. Put some ideas on what I should add, or not put ideas. Actually, do put ideas as part of your suggestions, but just say how good the stream quality is well for you guys' end, just so I know, so I can improve it next time. And first of all, thank you to all of you who are here. I can't tell if the 2 viewers who are on here is my live streaming service or me with the live streaming app open basically, and one of you watching or 2 of you watching. So that was okay. So I'm gonna go back to here. Def input self and key. I'm gonna put pass for now. I am gonna go to Ursina engine docs to see if there's anything that I can use to remember how to use the rotate. You guys saw my first video with the rotating waterfall thing or whatever it was. I sort of want to get something to rotate like that, and so let's see. API reference. Oh yes, that's the cheat sheet. The place with all the stuff that you. Yeah, so if you're planning on learning Ursina, go to this cheat sheet.html. That's mainly where I am learning. So it shows you all the different or inside or extension things. I don't know exactly that you can use to increase how good your program is or that specific part of the program. So for example, I want to have this, well, where is it? It should be up here. This rotation, but I'm only gonna get it on the X. So rotation X. If held keys are for rotate, then we are going to rotation. We're not going to do a rotation X. Wait. Okay, there's something wrong in this line 9 of the library. Oh, yes, we got the comma. Okay. Rotation equals vec3 45 0 and 0. Yeah, so I think if we did this properly, if we run the program again when we're able to, we will rotate 45 degrees on the x-axis. So let's see. Okay. Okay, I'm also curious about this transform. So that's neat. So if we go back here, we can finally run the program again. So Python main.py, not pu. Okay, so I'm just gonna check the stream again while I wait for my thing to come on. So yes, so feel free to or say that you're on the stream in the chat. I want to know who some of my viewers are, so it would be neat for that to, and you also just get or I can also see how many viewers come back to the next live streams and stuff. So yeah. Okay. Program is not opening yet. I'm just gonna check to see if forgot another syntax in the ground. So we'll fix that. Screen resolution. Okay, I think we might get an error because we started the program with an error in it that I just found. I'm gonna check for some more errors. I can't find any in here. So okay, something failed in here. Something's still failing. Okay, so this is just an example here. I'm just gonna look over. So animate. What does animate do? Animate. Oh, okay. So our program just opened up. So when Ursina starts responding, we will get that part started. Okay, down here there's no settings.py file. Okay, so the program just closed. There's probably an error. But yeah, this cube, we hadn't restarted it by the time the cube error was in, so yeah. Uh, okay, we're gonna just clear this quickly. CLS, then down main.py. I'm gonna run that again, see if it's all good. And yeah, so I think it's gonna work. There's probably an error too that I don't know. Ooh, there's a cat. What's this? Oh, okay. This is a strange file. Okay, so whenever this weird program that I'm trying to make loads, we will continue on. So yeah, if you have any questions about me or why I made this channel, feel free to ask them in the chat. I will reply or I'll be replying to questions that you guys have until the thing opens up, which could take a minute. So oh, there's participants. Oh, okay. Oh, that's hmm. Maybe if I pop out the chat, I can. Oh, yes, there. Okay, so hopefully now I'll be able to see the chat. Okay, and yeah, I'm just gonna fit this in so this fits right here, which is perfect. I think it's loading now, so that is good. Okay, it's about to load, and there we go. Ursina is open, but not responding once again. Okay, maybe it's gonna work this time, I don't know. Whenever it starts responding, we will find out. Okay, maybe it's loaded now. Nope. Yeah, so if you have any ideas for future videos or projects that we can or I can do, you guys can always follow along if you want. But if you have any ideas, please leave them in the live chat comments of any other videos or my YouTube discussion page. I'll be checking that every so often to see of any ideas that you guys have. And once Ursina will take the top level, render mode default. Okay. Main.py line 7. I'm actually just gonna put color. So color equals. Oh wait. Yeah, I think my code editor just closed down, so we are actually going to end off the stream here just because it's been around 30 minutes or so. I don't want to make it too long for my first stream. It was sort of just a testing one and to see if you guys would say anything in the chat this time. So you might not say anything in the chat this time. It might be different on future streams if I have more subscribers and more viewers. But other than that, thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the stream. Please subscribe and like so you're notified of future streams and other videos. And other than that, bye.